right, now I'm gonna fire it up for a little startup sequence. Let's see what it do. Oh my gosh, just like advertised. That is wicked.
Not in the equation, please do not approach us. Swear to God. Cut my day one all because of jealousy. Damn. Every day I'ma get fresh and pour up medicine. Dirty. Pour too much syrup by mistake because I'm heavy hand. Dumped on the plug, best friend, you just a middleman. I don't with them cut from a different cloth. Yeah. Ask your CEO and your rap friends why they hate dogs. Rich, how I pop it on them. The top come out, so I dropped it on them. Paid 30K over sticker price, I had to cop it on them. Hold up. We was down for so long, didn't have no choice but to go up. Pull up. In direction image on my girl, watching her glow up.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back or to the channel. Thank you guys for all the love and support lately. We've been getting to do some super awesome things on the channel, be it the Duramax, the Jeep. We've seen a cool side-by-side. We've seen a Lambo lately. We've done some super incredible things, and it could not be done without all of your support, so I can't thank you enough as we grow the channel. I did see a super inspiring post that I'm going to put here on the screen for you guys. It just takes one big win in your life to set you up forever, and boy, that couldn't be more true. If you guys don't follow my beautiful wife Tori, make sure you do that on TikTok. She just had a video do 3 million views, which was absolutely incredible, and to see how that has skyrocketed her account, her business, has just been unbelievable. And the fact that she supports me 100%, lets me get some time away to film these videos for you guys, it's just totally full circle, and it couldn't be more surreal as things progress. So thank you to all of you. Please consider sticking around and subscribing, and if you guys don't mind getting your phone out and sharing the videos, that would be absolutely incredible. But today we are going to be diving into something really cool on the Jeep that initially we thought we wanted to take off and leave off forever, but we realized how inconvenient it is to not have these on the Jeep, so we are going to be installing the sickest running boards you've ever seen on a Jeep. I'm super grateful to announce today's video has been sponsored by none other than Boost Auto Parts. If you guys have not heard of them, you surely are missing out, because they are an absolute industry leader, and the fact that they chose us to promote their new product is super inspiring in and of itself, because there are major names in the game that roll with Boost Auto: Dirty Max Jack, Gabe Farrell, Goon Squad, Street Speed, you name it, and now we're the latest to jump in with these guys, and I couldn't be more thankful. Like I said, I'm only going to be putting quality parts on my truck and on our vehicles from now on. I admit I have done, you know, the eBay, the Amazon, the cheap stuff for a long time, and now I really want to stop doing that. I don't want to push any products towards you guys that I wouldn't actually use and recommend myself. So only quality parts here that you'll see on the channel, so when you see a sponsored video, don't get too crazy and bummed out like, oh, he's just throwing everything at us now. That's not the case at all. It's things that I actually want, things that I'm actually going to use and support wholeheartedly. So let's get down to the shop and start today's video. Oh, and one side note before I forget, there is a really nice install video on Boost Auto's channel for each vehicle that these running boards fit on. Very detailed, very instructional. Today's, I'm not going to try to replicate that because there's already one out there, so what you're about to see is going to be just totally how we do it, just out having fun, doing our thing, so bear that in mind. Let's go! What's going on, brother? Thanks for having us over here to do this install again. You guys already know, Overtime Diesel, hit them up. I'll put the little email on the screen here and the number. Not even wearing the shirt today, boy. Gotta have the shirt. But anyways, we're gonna get this stuff unboxed for the video over here. He's got all kinds of cool stuff. We're gonna try not to show him too much in this video because we're trying to make like 20 different videos. But anyways, today's about the Jeep. So anyways, we got our stuff, got plenty of room, good lighting. All right, so here's the boxes they come in. Look at that, even Lumastep M1. Boy, that's a dangerous game. Hopefully UPS didn't see that. They'll want to keep them. But anyway, super sick boxes. We'll go ahead and get that box opened up and see what they look like. I'm pumped. They're going to look so good on this. And Mama, she chose out the colors, didn't you?
They better look good. I took the other ones off and because I didn't like them. They were too doty, so these better not be doty.
They won't be. They're going to be super sick, I promise you. We're going to make sure of that. All right, so we're going to see what they look like here. Ovi's going to open this thing up and see exactly what they look like inside. Absolutely incredible. American flag, best of the best, made in the U.S., of course. All the good stuff. Oh, and a sticker. Oh boy, you're gonna have to put that sticker somewhere. What do they got? They got the harnesses built in. I'm gonna get some of this stuff out here and see. It's like Christmas. I love unboxing stuff. I will say, look at that, and they gave you a duck. A Boost Auto duck. Look at them. Oh my gosh, can you see that? You gotta pull one out of there. Oh my gosh, I'm the wrong way. Let me get around. Dang, son, where'd you find this? Those are insane. I love them. Absolutely love them. There you go. Look at that. That's gonna be crazy. How's that grip? Oh, them feel nice too. Come on over here where the magic cap is, right over here. Clip of everything now that it's out of the box. Boy, they had a ton of stuff packed in there. That's efficiency, boy. But anyways, now that we've got everything lined up here, we can start to fit them up here on the vehicle. Right underneath there, I believe. Probably gonna go somewhere on these holes in here. Have to make sure we space them out properly, but maybe we can double team this or something like that. Get two sides going and clamp the stuff down. But I think they're gonna look sweet. I really think the color is gonna go awesome with the wheels and everything. It's gonna look good, I can tell. Third one to charm there. Get up there, boy. How we doing over here? A lot of bolts, but looks like we got everything. And we did, of course, we got the computer here with the instructional video, like I said, in case we need it. Probably reference that a little bit. I will say this just pulled up on the screen, Tori's video. Love it, look at that, right up there with the Jeep. Super cool. The first mistake, I put the wrong hardware on. I put the 16 mil on the 13, and then when it come to use the 16, I didn't have it. The 13s, the 16s, the back ends, blah, 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 blah. Finishing up the brackets on here, tightening them down on both sides. Ovi's watching ahead on the video here. If you don't YouTube it, you ain't doing it right, that's for darn sure. So we're gonna get that and somehow try to get these bolts here slid into the proper placement all the way down. And then we can slap them on and do our wiring, but super, super sweet, easy so far. Everything's nice and lining up and easy to use. Let's keep going. Just sliding these T-bolts on the rails here. There's that one. Ovi's over here. Try not to step in the shot, but he's gonna go ahead and get those lined up and tightened down. But look at how sick they look already, not even tightened down, but the height is just perfect. They're gonna look so freaking good. Big decisions going on now. We're to the point now where we gotta choose. We got to set exactly where we want these to go and do our final torque down here. What we're going to end up doing here, I believe, is go at the front of the fender here and kind of line the front of the running board there. That way it's nice and easy. You can do it on the other side. But we're going to go ahead and get that torque down and try to do some wiring. You know anything about wiring?
Nope.
Nope. Perfect. Gonna try to fish this wire down through, disconnect the battery, and do all this fun stuff next. Glad I got over here so we don't goof anything up and have a nice ride home. got this harness fished up through. You can see it in there going up through the top. Battery disconnected. Then on this side, we got the driver's side one going in next. Drip that one down through there. Plugged in the back. Now moving on from here, you're gonna keep following this video. Adding our rock light switch in over here. We push these two wires through the firewall. Nice little grommet. We drilled a hole in there, and we're probably gonna put our switch right in here. Nice to the left of the bottom of the steering wheel there. And then try to finish up our wiring here, just connecting a couple more wires here. It ought to be in pretty good shape. Nice and easy so far. Everything's clicking right in place. Got our handy dandy heat gun here. Heat shrinking them down there. Right in there, getting them all nice and snug. I tried to do my wife's hair, but she really wasn't feeling it. So now we can try to get the rest of these wires hooked up, cut to length, tucked nice and neat where they go, and we might be turning them on soon. This is gonna be epic. Terminals, positives, negatives, and as soon as we did that, the rock light switch was already on, and bam, you can see it, and they are so freaking bright. Ovi pepped up, and he's like, dude, those are crazy. I can't believe it, honestly. The LEDs are so crisp, and that's what you want. You don't want any of them cheap ones that can barely light up in the daylight, but take it in. That's insane. I can't wait to get some night shots. That's incredible. Whew. Sweet, brother. Looking great. The amber turn signals too, and the way they shoot down the side, absolutely incredible. And
blinding me.
They're bright, guys. They really are. The video's probably not going to do it justice, but if you see these things in person, it hurts the eyes. I mean, you need sunglasses on. That is intense. That's all I can say about it. Freaking awesome. Okay, next we just got to put this fender liner back in there. Did run some zip ties to kind of hold these wires in place for now. Don't judge me. I know there's some wiring people in the crowd, so I am going to take some time and redo it right. But for now, just going to tuck it nice and out of the way so it'll close, and then we can do it again later. But for now, they work. They look super sweet, nice and hidden. And we'll get this sucker on the road. You gotta listen to the box. Step your game up. Step the game up right in here. Y'all gonna have to get with it now. Laughing at me hysterically. That's all right. Absolutely epic job. And in the shop, I can't get over the shop. I'm just never gonna stop because it's so cool. We won't show them everything just yet. They're gonna have to stick around, but a lot of epic projects coming. That's all right. A lot of projects. A lot of projects. We'll get on it.
Still in the neighborhood, still eating coconuts. Yeah. Street. I'm in a Bentley doing donuts. Yeah. Taught myself how to get millions. Ain't nobody show us. From my young 50 boss, told him, look, grow up. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that'll about do it for today's video. Hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the product. Super stoked on it. Can't wait to do some more cruising with this thing and do some more stuff here at Ovi's shop. Remember, if you are local and need some work done on your diesel truck, make sure to hit him up. You can email him. You can use the phone number here and get in touch with him for all your needs. But guys, this was a lot of fun. Thank you, Boost Auto Parts. Again, we will be back with some more content for you guys in the very near future.